Solana recently broke this new all-time high, but will we finally see even higher prices, or do we fall to even lower levels? In this video I will talk about Solana, I will analyze the chart, and I will analyze the open interest and the funding rate. Before we start with the video, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share the daily updates about Bitcoin, Solana and all other cryptocurrency. First link in the description. So as you can see, Solana recently broke this new all-time high, which was very important. And Solana is now one of the biggest projects in the crypto space. It's more hyped than ever before for this project. And after this, we saw a correction to this last highs right here. We perfectly retested it with this wicks and we saw this bullish reaction. And now the chance is high with the new all-time high and this last liquidity take that we can continue the overall bullish trend. And right now it's very important that we are breaking this last highs and of course this high to the upside. And if we are breaking this one to the upside, then we are coming into this supply zone with the all-time high. And if we can also break this one to the upside, then we can see even higher prices. And my next potential price targets are the $290 for Solana. And I think this area is a great chance to get into a new position because we have this multiple support and resistance right here. We have this liquidity under this low. So if we're coming into the zone, seeing bullish price action breaking out of the zone, then I think the chance high that we can continue the bullish trend. And the next potential price target are the $290. Of course, for the bull run, we have even higher price targets, but this is the next interesting zone. And of course, if we have a look at the open interest, you can see we are flattening down. So the chance that we are continuing the bullish trend is very high because as we are seeing at this explosion, the open interest got to the upside and now it's going down again. And also the funding rate is very low in comparison. So the chance for a next leg up for Solana is very high. So I think this zone is very perfect to get into new positions. If we're breaking this one, then of course we have this demand zone right here. And if we are seeing bullish price action right here, we can continue the bullish trend. And if we also would break this one, then we have this very interesting zone about $210 to $204. If we're seeing bullish price action right here, I would definitely buy some Solana right here. But my main scenario would be if we come back into this zone and seeing bullish price action that we can trade Solana to the upside, and the next bullish price target are the $290. So I'm definitely very bullish on Solana. It's one of the most hyped coins right now. And I will think that we'll see even higher prices for the bull run. And another project I'm very hyped about is Tars AI, because Tars AI is backed by the Solana Foundation, the official Solana, and it's a smaller AI coin. We have a $215 million market cap. We are right now at 39 cents. And in my last video 1 month ago, I talked about Tars AI. We were at 13 cents. And as you can see, after I talked about this project, we saw this immense bullish push. From this last video, we saw an increase over 186%. So congratulations to everybody who invested in this project. Subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss the next one. And if we have a look at the weekly chart, it's looking extremely bullish. We are near the 40 cents. And I think we have much utility for the AI sector and Solana, so it's a very interesting project for the future. And I personally would wait if we are seeing a pullback into this last highs right here at nearly 31 cents. If we're seeing bullish price action, I would buy some TARS right here, or I would wait if we are retesting this last all-time high. And I think for the top of the bull run, we could see a market cap of $4 to $8 billion. It's one of the most hyped smaller AI projects right now. So I think prices from around $3 to $6 are very realistic for this project. So I will definitely invest in this project again if we're seeing bullish price action in this area right here. And if you want to trade Solana or Tars AI, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees, and with my link you get 20% trading fee rebate on top. So all in all, Solana broke this new all-time high and we perfectly retested this last high. And now the chance is very high that we can continue the bullish trend and reach the next all-time high. My next potential price targets are the $290. And I think this area is a great chance if we're seeing bullish price action to trade to the upside again. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.